welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. So first up, gotta click on the link either in the description or pinned comments. Okay, once done, you'll be landed to the same exact page. So what you'll do in here is just gotta click on create or create right here at the very top. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to the top right here and click on create account. And then once done, continue with Google or continue with Apple, as this is by far the easiest way to create an account. But if you do have any other emailing service, you gotta type down your email password in here, just hit on continue. But this time I'm just going to be using Google. Now go ahead and choose from one of your Google accounts. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom left, click on it, and then go ahead over to pricing. And then in here, you can go ahead and select a subscription for individuals or businesses, okay? So for example, individuals right here, should it be monthly or yearly? It's up to you. Now, once that's done, you can just basically select Pro right here, okay? But if you want to cancel it within the 29th day, you won't be billed, okay? Do keep that in mind. You won't be billed. Just cancel it. So go ahead and click on this option. And once done, enter your payment method right here. Select monthly, the plan, Pro, and then your card, country, first name, last name, address, confirm. The subscription process right here is really easy, okay? And once you've completed the payment process, you will now be able to see your profile right here. It now says creator or pro, okay, or even business. And you will notice your credits, instead of 5,000, you now have 250,000 credits. All right. Now, if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, we have a ton of videos about it. Go to check our channel out. And that's just basically, that is how you subscribe to Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.